Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly DXY, I still think this is possibly the end of an ABC correction. If it is the end of an ABC correction, then this is going to end up continuing the downtrend like this. Most likely eventually end up looking something like that and taking out this low. Now, we are talking about the monthly time frame, so this is going to probably take years to play out. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. Switch back to the dollar index. On the weekly time frame is where I start to see lower lows, lower highs the whole way down, which I think is a wave 1, could be a wave A, and then we have what I think is going to end up being 3 waves up for an ABC, which I think is going to be a 2, but it could be a wave B, and then it should end up continuing the downtrend, especially if this is the end of an ABC correction right there, for a wave 3. So let's keep that in mind and head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where we could actually start to see these higher lows for the wave A. And then I think this is an ABC right here, an ABC of B. And I believe that we are going up right now for a wave C, which I think most wave Cs will take out the higher wave A. Probably end up looking something like that before it ends up breaking structure to the downside. And then most likely continuing the downtrend, ending a wave 2, and then continuing down for a wave 3. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where you can actually start to see the higher lows, higher highs this whole way up that the market's been making. I really don't think that anything is over. We're not bouncing off a fib. We're definitely not taking out any structure to the downside. I think the trend is definitely still up, and I am for sure still looking for longs in an uptrend. So let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame since our last ABC correction way back here was the last bigger ABC on the 1 hour. We have been trending up ever since. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think there is a good chance that we are about to start another correction. Probably something similar to this right here, or maybe something a little bigger like this right here. Either way, it doesn't matter because I believe that it will make another higher low, and just end up continuing the uptrend. So I do believe that this is getting ready to make a correction. So definitely make sure that you remember that when you are looking at all the other dollar pairs, but I still think that it's going to be just another ABC pullback, and I still think that once this ABC pullback is finished, that we will make another continuation of this uptrend, which should be a big wave C on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.